In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find a user ID in Slack. Whether you're managing a workspace or simply wish to customize your Slack experience, knowing how to locate user IDs can be incredibly useful for tasks like setting up automations or integrations. Let's dive right in and make this process as straightforward as possible. No complicated steps or technical jargon here. First, you're going to want to open Slack on your computer. Open a new browser tab or your Slack desktop application. Once you're there, ensure you're logged into the correct workspace. If you're a member of multiple workspaces, double-check that you're active in the one where you need to find a user ID. The workspace name is usually displayed at the top left corner, so it's easy to confirm. Next, navigate to the channel or direct message where the user is active. If you're not sure where to find them, hit the search bar at the top right corner and type in the person's name. This search will help you locate any public and private conversations where the person has been active. This step is particularly useful if you only remember snippets of the previous conversation you had with them. When you find an instance of where they've sent a message, hover your mouse over their name or profile picture. You'll notice that a small pop-up with more detailed contact information appears. In this pop-up window, you should see several options including a link labeled More Actions or just 3 dots, often known as the kebab menu. Click on this, and a new menu will unfold, revealing more options to choose from. Select View Profile or a similar option from the menu. This action will open a more comprehensive view of their Slack profile. Depending on your permissions and how Slack is set up within your organization, you might see their email, phone number, time zone, and other workplace details. Now that you're in the profile view, look towards the top right of the screen. There will be another menu frequently located next to their profile picture, offering a range of actions such as message or call. Click this Options button and scroll through until you see one labeled Copy Member ID or something similar. This is the key item that reveals their unique Slack user ID. Clicking this will copy the user ID to your clipboard, which you can then paste wherever necessary, be it a spreadsheet, a config file, or a note for future reference. And there you have it. You've successfully found and copied the user ID in Slack. Keeping these streamlined steps in mind will ensure you're always prepared to find any user ID quickly and efficiently for any administrative task or integration setup you might need to handle. Thanks for watching and happy Slacking.